Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and manage blog tags in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your HubSpot account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your blog management tools and content settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Content to expand the content management options. Once that opens, click on Blog. This will take you to your blog dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your blog posts, including the tags we're about to work with. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find several options. Click on Configure to reveal a drop-down menu with various blog configuration settings. From that drop-down, click on Tags. This is where you'll be able to create, organize, and manage all your blog tags, which help categorize your content and make it easier for readers to find related posts. To create a new blog tag, simply click Add New Tag. This opens up a small form where you can define your tag's properties. In the tag name field, input the name you want to give your tag. Choose something clear and relevant to the content you'll be categorizing. Next, select a language from the drop-down menu that matches the language of your blog content. Once you've entered both the tag name and selected the appropriate language, click Create. Your new tag is now added to your tag library and ready to be used on your blog posts. Now, if you need to manage your existing tags, hover your mouse over any tag in the list. When you do this, you'll see an edit option appear. Click on it to modify the tag. In the edit window, you can change the tag name or adjust the language setting if needed. After making your changes, click Update to save them. This ensures your tag reflects any updates you want to make to your blog's categorization system. For more advanced management options, hover your mouse over the tag again and click More. This reveals several additional actions you can take. You can click Create Multi-Language Variation if you want to create versions of the same tag in different languages, which is especially useful for multilingual blogs. You can also click Add to a multi-language group to link related tags across different languages together. If you have duplicate or similar tags, you can click Combine with another tag to merge them and keep your tag system organized. And lastly, if you no longer need a tag, you can click Delete to remove it from your system entirely. And that's it. You've successfully created and learned how to manage blog tags in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.